With the focus turning to sales of aircraft not yet in flight, the flight line at this year's Paris Air Show will take a new turn. Airbus will continue to trumpet its neo-narrowbodies, which have already secured over 2,000 firm orders. The European manufacturer will once again go head-to-head with Boeing for the next generation of its popular narrowbody, the 737 MAX. But both manufacturers are going to face questions over the future of the smallest family members, for which there is very little demand. Some argue that's because airlines are waiting to see more of the Bombardier C series, which, unlike the A319neo and MAX 7, is optimized for the lower capacity segment. Bombardier has been promising the first flight will take place before the end of June. Too late for Le Bourget, but still a good sign for the manufacturer. Embraer, meanwhile, will be focused on the next generation of its E-Jet family, with product design now locked in and key suppliers already selected. With slow sales of the 747-8 Intercontinental and the 777X about to be launched following board approval, Boeing is expected to focus its efforts on securing orders for the new large twin. Following a 4-month grounding, the 787 is finally back in the air, and operators are awaiting deliveries of much-delayed aircraft. While the new Airbus A350 is unlikely to be on display at Le Bourget, there is a chance it will still fly before the show, following its rollout from the paint shop on May 13th. One of the big questions is, will sales pick up at Le Bourget, and if so, for which of the 3 models? Another new jet yet to fly for the first time this year, in the third quarter, is Mitsubishi's MRJ. The program has been plagued with delays, but it has also received strong support through an order for 100 aircraft by US regional carrier SkyWest. 2013 will also be a critical year for Sukhoi's Superjet. First deliveries to a Western customer are imminent, with Mexican carrier Interjet expecting to phase in its first SJ-100 this year. Le Bourget could also be a stage for the latest updates on Comac, but the program has been going through a series of design changes that could lead to further delays. ATR, meanwhile, has been pushing its shareholders to provide the funds for a larger turboprop. But with the decision-making process not yet complete, Le Bourget may come too soon for any major announcements.